What we learned in our health class. We learned about the nervous system, endocrine system, drugs, and mental diseases. The nervous system is a complex connection of nerves and specialized cells known as neurons that transmit signals between your body. It's essentially the body's wiring. It's divided in two parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The smallest part of the nervous system is the neuron that connects to the muscle to transmit signals. The center of the central nervous system is the brain. It's the center of our thoughts and controls our motion. The peripheral nervous system is the spinal cord. The parts of the spinal cord are the top of the cervicals, then thoracic, then lumbar, and then sacral.
The endocrine system is a chemical messenger system comprising feedback loops of hormones released by internal glands of an organism directly into the circulatory system, regulating distant target organs. In humans, the major endocrine glands are the thyroid glands and the adrenal glands. In vertebrates, the hypothalamus is the neutral control center for all the endocrine systems.
A number of glands that signal each other in sequence are usually referred to as an axis. For example, the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis. In addition to the specialized endocrine organs mentioned above, many other organs that are part of other body systems, including bone, kidney, liver, heart, and gonads, have secondary endocrine functions. For example, the kidney secretes endocrine hormones such as erythropoietin and renin. Hormones can consist of either amino acids complexes, steroids, eicosanoids, leukotrienes, or prostaglandins.
The endocrine system can be constructed to both exocrine glands, which secretes hormones to outside of the body using ducts, and paracrine, signaling between cells over a relatively short distance. Endocrine glands have no ducts, are vascular, and commonly have intracellular vacuoles or granules that store their hormones. In contrast, exocrine glands, such as salivary glands, sweat glands, and glands within the gastrointestinal tract, tend to be much less vascular and have ducts or a whole lumen.
The mental diseases refers to a wide range of mental health conditions, disorders that affect your mood, thinking, and behavior. Examples of mental illness include depression, anxiety disorders, schizophrenia, eating disorders, and addictive behaviors.
Drugs are medicines or other substances that have a physiological effect when ingested or otherwise introduced into the body. Drugs can be categorized based upon their effects on users. There are essentially 7 different drug types, each with its own set of characteristics, effects, and dangers. Categories include stimulants, depressants, hallucinogens, dissociatives, opioids, inhalants, and cannabis. Drugs have the ability to affect your mood. They can arouse certain emotions or dampen down others. These may be why people use them. The changes in the mood or behavior caused by the drugs are the result of changes to your brain. They can cause several mental diseases.